evening. I'm Olivia Cisnowski.
And I am Jenna Bruno. This evening, we are bringing you all of our top stories. In our first story, a man is faced with charges for streaking across Daddy Ficklin Stadium at the ECU football game against Southern Miss. A military tribute was taking place when the young man decided to run across the field.
The man was arrested and charged on a $1,500 bond. Photos and videos are posted on our website. Now in our top stories, researchers have discovered that many of Earth's species appear to be shrinking in size, much like a wool sweater in warm water. Isn't that due to global warming?
It may be, but other experts say that the conclusion goes too far, blaming global warming for what may be natural changes. Our own reporter, Jeff Vaccarella, is out in the field to tell us more. Jeff, are you there?
Yes, thank you, Jenna. While being out in the field, it has come to my attention that many of our Earth species have been shrinking in size. It's based on a review of other studies and found that 35 to 85 animal and plant species showed a documented reduction in size over the decades. This includes many species ranging from strawberries, squirrels, frogs, and even house sparrows. It has been said that the house sparrow's weight has dropped by 1/7 from 1950 to 1990. A biology researcher at the University of Alabama, Jennifer Sheridan, has come to discuss the findings of the study.
There is a trend in a number of organisms across the board, from plants to big vertebrates, getting smaller. The theory is as things get warmer, they don't need to grow as large. Most of these animals are cold-blooded, so the warmer the weather, the faster their metabolism is, and the more calories they burn. There's a biological rule called Bergmann's rule that says that as it gets colder, animals get bigger. This is the unwritten flip side of it.
In an email from another zoologist, Yoram Yom-Tov, whose studies were found in Jennifer Sheridan's research, stated that changes in the body size are a normal phenomenon when conditions are favorable. They increase in size or reproduce at higher rates. When conditions are deteriorating, they do the opposite. Yom-Tov thinks that most species will adapt to climate change and survive, so there is no need for alarm. Back to you in the studio.
Thank you, Jeff. We also got input from Terry Root, an expert in climate change from Stanford University, who said that the study's conclusions seemed kind of far-fetched.
And that concludes tonight's top stories. Be sure to tune in to the season finale of The X Factor immediately following this broadcast. We will see you tomorrow night at 7 p.m. with more top stories. Good night.
Good night.